Here I have Nokia 8.3 5G, and today I'm going to show you how to change system language on this device. So first of all, you have to open settings, then you have to go to the system section, languages and input, languages, add a language, and here you have the whole list of languages in which you can set your system. Let's select, for example, Ukrainian. And what you have to do next is to drag Ukrainian on the first place, and language will be set to Ukrainian automatically. If you want to change it back to English, just go to the налаштування, система, мова та ведення, мови, and drag English back on top. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.